Now that's sweet. That is...
Excuse me, Mr. Chandler.
Mr. You're excused, Mr. Laura.
I'm going to put you back to sleep, huh?
Look, hurry up with this stuff.
Oh, look at her now.
Look at this, Mommy.
Watch this. This is cute. Give me a kiss. Shuji, give me a kiss. No.
Shuji?
Give me a kiss.
You call him Shuji?
No. Kiss. Mwah. Give me this, Boot. Give me, give me Eskimo kisses. Eskimo kisses. Oh, that's so sweet.
Excuse
That's
me
how
now.
we give a kiss, and then we nose boot, and then Eskimo kisses. That's how she broke my nose.
Oh. Oh. Sweet.
You want to decorate the tree tonight? Yeah, put some ornaments on the tree.
And some cake.
And some candy canes. We don't have any candy canes.
Hey guys, I'm surprising